Left the tent out because we've had a good downpour of rain, so I'm just going to show you what the OEX PHOXX 2 version 2 is like. You see, it's had a good downpour on it. Have a look inside and see exactly how dry it is. Apart from me just splashing that bit, and it's completely bone dry. Completely bone dry. So we can try that again. I'm going to try it tonight, see what it's like, just in garden tonight. So hopefully, like I say, it's had a good pour down, but it's bone dry. It didn't rain when I went wild camping the other night. I mean, that video was, it still puzzles me now. If you watch the previous video, you'll see it's something or someone or I don't know what it was, but anyway, watch the previous video and see that one. But this is just to say that that is completely bone dry inside, and I'm more than happy with it. OEX, I've just ordered the OEX sleeping bag 300. So, well, I don't know if to cancel it and just order the 400, but I'll see. But like I said, I've just ordered the OEX sleeping bag, the 300 one. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was just a quick one to show you how dry it is with a good heavy downpour of rain on that. So it has held up. So, thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye for now.